Think your mechanic is always on your side? Think again. When it comes to keeping your car on the road, there are some maintenance tips mechanics really don't want you to know. Why? Because the more you know, the less you'll need them. But not anymore. In this video, we're pulling the curtain back on the 11 car maintenance tips mechanics hope you never know. These are the tricks that could save you thousands in repairs, keep your car running like new for years, and put the control back in your hands. Stick around until the end, because tip number 1 is a game changer even experienced drivers don't know. Let's dive in. Tip number 11, don't waste money on additives. Fuel and oil additives are sold like magic potions, promising to clean your engine, restore lost power, or boost your mileage overnight. But here's the truth mechanics won't sugarcoat. Most of these products are nothing more than expensive sample in a bottle. Modern fuels and oils already contain the detergents and protectants your car needs. In fact, using unnecessary additives can sometimes do more harm than good by altering the chemical balance of your fluids. Mechanics know that scared or uninformed drivers will grab anything that says cleans injectors or restores horsepower. But unless your car has a specific issue, like carbon buildup or a known oil consumption problem, you're literally pouring money down the drain. Tip number 10, stop overfilling the gas tank. When the fuel pump clicks off, that's your car saying, enough. Forcing more gas in by topping off the tank may seem like a way to stretch your dollars, but it's actually damaging. Modern cars have a sealed evap system designed to capture gas vapors instead of liquid fuel. Overfilling can cause fuel to flood into the charcoal canister, which is expensive to replace and may trigger the check engine light. This often results in emissions issues that require costly diagnostics and repairs. Mechanics know this habit shortens the lifespan of the fuel system, but they rarely warn you. Trust the first click and stop pumping. It'll protect your wallet in the long run. Tip number 9, change oil more frequently than recommended. Your car manual might say to change the oil every 10,000 or even 15,000 miles, but here's the mechanic's secret. They change their own oil much sooner. Why? Because they know real-world conditions, like stop-and-go traffic, short trips, and extreme heat or cold brake oil, down faster than ideal lab conditions. What starts as smooth, protective lubricant eventually turns acidic, thickens into sludge, and stops doing its job. That's when your engine starts aging prematurely. Changing your oil every 5,000 miles is one of the cheapest ways to prevent long-term engine wear. And here's the twist. Some mechanics won't tell you this up front. Why? Because engines that wear out sooner mean more repairs and more money for them later. Tip number 8, keep your tires at the right pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is one of the most overlooked yet critical aspects of car maintenance. Driving with underinflated tires increases rolling resistance, which not only lowers fuel efficiency, but also causes the tires to wear out unevenly and more quickly. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, reduce grip and can lead to a harsher ride or even blowouts in extreme heat. Both situations reduce braking performance and can put your safety at risk. The correct pressure for your vehicle is not what's printed on the tire itself. It's usually listed on a sticker inside the driver's doorframe. Checking tire pressure once a month with a digital gauge and adjusting as needed can extend tire life by thousands of miles and save you hundreds in fuel. Tip number 7, use only top-tier gasoline. Not all gas is created equal. Top-tier gas isn't about octane. It's about detergent additives that keep your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber clean. While all fuel sold in the US meets minimum standards, but only top-tier fuel meets higher standards set by car manufacturers. Sure, cheaper gas might save you a few cents at the pump, but over time, it can lead to carbon buildup, rough idling, and engine misfires. On the other side, top-tier fuel, available at stations like Chevron, Shell, and Mobil, contains extra detergents that keeps your engine run smoother, cleaner, and longer. Tip number 6, use only OEM or higher quality parts. When it comes to replacement parts, cheaper isn't always smarter. Many budget aftermarket parts are made with inferior materials, loose tolerances, or poor quality control, especially when it comes to important components like sensors, gaskets, suspension parts, or engine mounts. Mechanics know this, which is why they usually install OEM parts on their own vehicles or recommend high-end aftermarket brands they trust. But when servicing your car, some shops may quietly use the cheapest available part to maximize their profit. So don't be afraid to speak up. Always ask what brand of part is being used, and whenever possible, stick with OEM or premium aftermarket brands like Bosch, Denso, Moog, or Bilstein. Tip number 5, replace your air filter regularly. Most drivers don't even think about their engine air filter until a mechanic waves a dirty one in their face, but by then, it's often already clogged. But here's what many shops won't tell you. A dirty air filter can choke your engine's performance, lower fuel economy, and even trigger a check engine light. Your engine needs a constant flow of clean air to maintain proper combustion. When that flow is restricted, your engine starts to run rich, burns more gas, and produces more carbon buildup. Want fix? Swap your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. The best part is, a new air filter only costs $10 to $20, but it can save you thousands in repairs. Some mechanics skip recommending it because it's a low-profit job, but if you replace it on your schedule, your engine will thank you with smoother acceleration and better mileage. Tip number 4, oil additives like Mostholder can make your engine last longer. Shops rarely mention oil additives unless they sell them, but molybdenum disulfide and other friction-reducing agents can cut engine wear by up to 50%, especially in older engines. These additives form a protective layer on metal parts, reducing metal-on-metal contact during cold starts and heavy loads. Mechanics know it works, but since it could delay engine wear and future repairs, it's not always in their interest to recommend it. Adding it during an oil change can keep your engine running smoother and longer. Tip number 3, you can rotate tires at home. Rotating tires regularly prevents uneven tread wear, extends the life of all 4 tires, and improves handling. Most manufacturers recommend rotating tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. While mechanics charge $30 to $60 for this service, but you can do it yourself at home with a jack stands, and a torque wrench. It usually takes under an hour once you learn the proper rotation pattern for your drivetrain. Neglecting tire rotation can lead to cupping, vibrations, and early replacement. Mechanics often avoid reminding you of this DIY option because tire wear keeps you coming back for new sets sooner. Tip number 2, monitor battery health before it fails. Car batteries don't die suddenly, they send signals long before they fail. Slow cranking, dim headlights, or electrical glitches are all warning signs of a bad battery. But most drivers ignore these until one cold morning. Nothing happens when they turn the key. Here's what many mechanics won't mention. Battery health declines slowly over time, and you can monitor it long before it fails. Using a simple multimeter or a $20 battery tester, you can check the resting voltage of your battery at home. A healthy battery should hold over 12.4 volts at rest. Anything lower means it's time to prepare for a replacement. Just test your battery twice a year, and you'll avoid one of the most annoying breakdowns a driver can face. Tip number 1, don't fall for the use premium fuel just in case trick. Many drivers think putting premium gas in their tank is like giving their car a performance boost, but that's exactly what mechanics and fuel stations want you to believe. If your owner's manual says your car runs on regular 87 octane, then anything more is just throwing money away. Higher octane doesn't mean better quality, it just resists knock better in high-performance engines. In fact, using premium in a car designed for regular can hurt fuel economy and reduce performance. Stick with the fuel grade your car was designed for, and save that extra cash for real maintenance. And there you have it, 11 car maintenance tricks that mechanics hope you never learn. These simple hacks can prevent breakdowns, extend your vehicle's life, and stop you from being taken advantage of. If you've got your own secret tip that saved your car before, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. See you in the next video.